Hi, everyone. My name is Penny Sheppard with the Miller Realty Group, Keller Williams, and I am here today to do a virtual walkthrough or open house, call it what you will, of our listing on Windjammer Drive in Tega Cay. This house is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath home on Windjammer Drive. It is 29016 Windjammer. And I am going to walk you through the virtual tour and show you some features of the house. Now, I love this house. I love a lot of houses, but I really love this house. Let me just start sharing my screen here. And I'm going to pop over to the virtual tour that you see right here. And I'm going to talk a little bit about this house. Now, as you can see, this drone footage starts with the view of the lake because this house is a water view home. It is a brick home, again, 4-bedroom, 3-bath, built in 1996, custom brick home. It has a 3-car side load garage, which is tough to come by in original Tega Cay, and this 3 side load is pretty rare, but 3-car side load is even more rare. I love this house because it has those 2 driveways, one off of Windjammer Drive, that circular driveway, which goes into the main entrance. And then if you go down the side street, which is Beaver Run, you have a right-hand turn into the driveway to access the 3-car garage. And so this has a fabulous location. One of the best sunset views in all of Tega Cay comes from this area of the lake. Now you see the beautiful wood double doors. Enter the home, and you enter through the foyer, the central foyer. There's a dining room on the left. You have 3 bedrooms on this floor on the right side of the house, and then the formal living room, family room, great room, whatever you wanted to call it, is straight back on the house. Now look at the windows and the light. There's skylights, vaulted ceilings, great ceiling heights, ceiling fans. This is a blank canvas. It is painted in neutral colors, neutral carpet. You can do anything with any palette in this house. And the windows and the light and the space are wonderful. Now, the kitchen is quite large, and which I love. I love a big kitchen. One other reason why I love this house. So there is an eat-in kitchen area, and then we have, I love this U-shaped countertop in the kitchen and all that cabinet space. We have the built-in ovens on the wall. There's the regular oven and then microwave above it, and then the countertop cooktop, split sink, and again, windows galore in this house. I'm going to keep moving. You'll see the room behind it is the formal dining room. So there is a formal dining room to the left of the doorway when you walk in the door, and then the living room straight back, and the kitchen behind the dining room and to the left of the living room. Again, granite countertops, and again, beautiful neutral cabinets. You could do anything with this space, and look at the amount of countertop as well. You have workspace, storage. Everything you would want in this is available in this kitchen. There's island area for seating with the overhang there on the countertop if you want. And then this eat-in kitchen area, which would also fit a very large dining table. So if you wanted to use that dining room as an office, you could, but there's so much space in this house, it wouldn't be necessary. Now here we have the entrance to the dining room. I love this bowed out windows in the dining room, beautiful space. Now the upstairs living room does have a gas log fireplace. So there's a fireplace up and down. And we're about to head into the master bedroom, which is, I think, the largest master bedroom I've probably ever seen. So let's take a walk into the master bedroom. So it's off the living room, again on the main floor. So master on main, and then check this out. There's not only one piano, there's 2 pianos in the master bedroom, and a sitting area, and a king-size bed. So there is enough room in this master bedroom to have your own retreat. Also access to the outdoors, an upright piano. And then the master bath, dual sink vanity, plenty of cabinet space. There's a soaking tub, and then a walk-in shower as well. Jetted soaking tub. So, and then you have, of course, the walk-in shower and 2 rooms in the bathroom. So you've got anyone to use it and still maintain privacy. Now the other 2 bedrooms are on the front side of the house, and they are off the hallway to the right when you're walking in from the front door. So great sized bedrooms, more light, beautiful windows. I mean, there's windows in just every area. I love natural light. So, and these 2 bedrooms do share this hall bath, which has a tub shower combo, tile floor, plenty of room in here. And then this third bedroom, really, second and third bedrooms, also ample space. These are great size bedrooms. Now we have moved downstairs to the basement level, lower level, because when you have walkout basements, it's kind of hard to call it a basement. But so when you walked down to the master bedroom, the hallway down there had the stairway to the right before you got to the master that came downstairs. And this is a beautiful staircase leading to the lower level. The lower level is an additional 1,500 square feet. So this whole house is, I want to say, 4,154 heated square feet, 1,500 of it down and 26 of it up. So even if you wanted to live on the main floor, you have just a nice amount of space up there for 3 bedrooms and 2 baths, but you have this additional space downstairs. And this is the 3-car garage is on this level. This level has a wood burning fireplace, also exit to the outside, plenty of room for a game room. There's a wet bar down here, more windows. I love you see the wooded space around the house. And this house again sits on the corner of Windjammer Drive and Beaver Run. And so Beaver Run actually slopes downhill from this point. So the houses next door get lower and lower, which is why it has the water view that it does have. It has a main channel view. And back to the wet bar. So here you have in the lower level, this kitchen area, cabinets, countertop, sink, an undermount kitchen, refrigerator rather. And there is another bedroom down here. That was the laundry room we went by. So we have another really large size bedroom downstairs and another bathroom with dual sink vanity. So this house, beautiful water views, 4,000 square feet, built in 1996, hardwood floors, carpet, and there's a den downstairs. So we have a picture of it with the den in our still photos with the mural removed. So you can see what that would look like, but the mural's kind of cool too. So, and here is an example of the 3-car garage. So you have 3 individual doors, which is great because garage doors get heavy, and if you had to open one that large, it might break a little bit more easily, but this is 3 individually run garage doors. So you have plenty of parking, and then there's plenty of parking in the driveway as well. So great. And here it is from the outside. So you see beautiful deck space, stairs. You can access the deck from this level. You have the 3-car garage, and there's also a retractable awning on this level as well. So I love that. And there you see the water view from up on the deck level. The water's just down the street. And of course, this house is on Windjammer Drive, which puts it just down the road from Windjammer Park, which is, of course, the largest waterfront park in Tega Cay. You can swim there. There's beach access. Oh, there's a shot of the awning pulled out. I'm not going to keep it there, but the awning stretched out. There we go. And so that's a fabulous feature. And you still have yard space, driveway space. And again, as I mentioned, or I was mentioning, Windjammer Park is just down Windjammer Drive from here. So you have access, you can fish, you can launch a kayak, you can hear my dog. You can watch the ski team practice, the water ski team. You can swim off the beach. Lots of people walk their dogs down there. There's a park down there. There's a covered pavilion, and I read recently that that pavilion is being refurbished or rebuilt this year. So that will be a brand new pavilion, which is, of course, wonderful for anyone who wants to host a party. You can just rent the space from the city, and you can host a party down at Windjammer Park. What would be better than that? So here's a great shot of the double doors. I love these wooden double doors. It's so hard to come by these days, doors like that. And you'll see a great shot of the dining room to the right of that. And I'm gonna just move my picture over here because I want to be able to close that out. And I wanted to get to that still. Oh, here we go. So here's the office downstairs with the mural removed, so you can see what it would look like. There's plenty of room for office furniture if you wanted to use it for that flex space. You could use it for a gym if you wanted to. There's plenty of room downstairs for that. And again, the downstairs is 1,500 square feet and upstairs is 26. What is it? Yeah, 2650. Look at the storage in this space. There's a workshop in this house, and just everything you need. Great living space on the main level, and extra play space, living space, whatever you would want on the lower level. And this house, again, it is 29016 Windjammer Drive. And I just think it's a wonderful blank canvas ready for anyone to walk in and put in any type of decor. And I'm going to go over, I have to move my picture again, over to the feature, the MLS details, multiple listing service details. So again, this shows here we have 3 bedrooms on the main level with 2 full baths, 1 bedroom and a full bathroom on the lower level, as well as the laundry room, that family room with the second fireplace, and the study. And we have 2,650 square feet on the main level, 1,504 on the lower level, and the basement has additional unheated storage space of 267 square feet. 4 bedrooms, 2 baths, brick custom home. It's just neat, certainly not cookie cutter. And I just enjoy that kind of home. It's something, I just like it when they're kind of unique. So that's what this opportunity is. If you would like any additional information about this house, please feel free to call me. My number is 803-493-7271, or you can call or text that number, or you can email me at penny@carmensmiller.com. Thank you so much for joining me for this walkthrough. I hope you have a great day. Bye.